Hey guys, today we will be doing the lactic acid cycle. The mnemonic is lonely people love games. So lonely people love games. Now it's a very small, short, simple topic, so I'll try to make it short and sweet as well. What you need to know is that because of the muscular activities and anaerobic glycolysis in the red blood cells, they produce a large amount of lactate, and so do our skeletal muscles, of course. Now in the liver, this lactate is converted to pyruvate by an enzyme called the lactate is converted to pyruvate by an enzyme called the lactate dehydrogenase, and this converts it to the glucose then, which by hepatic gluconeogenesis, and this glucose is sent back to the muscles. So this is what we're going to draw here. Okay, so that's going to be our liver for some reason. That's a great liver. And then we're going to have skeletal muscles over here. That's skin, and those are the muscles in between. Yes, you can tell I'm not an artist. Okay, so that's our liver. Need to make sure I write it because it doesn't look like one, and that's our muscle. Okay, so in the liver you get energy. So the fatty acids in the liver, they oxidize and they release carbon dioxide and water. During this process they release ATP. Okay, now this ATP is used in the liver to make glucose via the process gluconeogenesis. Now how do we start this? First, because the muscles are having a lot of activity, they release lactate. So we have lactate over here, so they use glucose, like they break it down to lactate and they release ATP, of course. So this lactate goes to the liver where it's converted to pyruvate by lactate to pyruvate. I'm just going to, I write it here, pyruvate by lactate dehydrogenase, and this pyruvate is converted to glucose through hepatic gluconeogenesis, and this glucose goes back to the muscles where they can use it up again. Now this glucose can also be achieved from glycogen because the liver stores glycogen, so breakdown of glycogen could also produce this, and so do muscles have glycogen stores, so they can also receive it like this. So now what you need to know is that glycolysis occurs in the muscles and gluconeogenesis occurs in the liver. Okay, that is your Cori cycle or lactic acid cycle. That's it.